Dear students, Namaste. Today we are discussing about physical change and chemical change. So this is the last topics of this lesson. So let's see here what type of differences between the physical change and chemical change. Okay. So physical change means it is temporary change. Means if the substance, if it is changed, suppose water is changing into ice, so that is a temporary change. Okay. But chemical change means it is a permanent change. It is a permanent change. Means it can't be reversed. Just think that. No new substance is formed, okay? No new substance is formed, okay? Here no new substance is formed. But in chemical change, new substance is formed with entirely different properties, okay? Different properties. Here, new substance can be formed. Just example, when we burn wood, then what will you see there? It converts into very good. But it can be converted again into wood? No. Very nice. So third number, the change is usually reversible. I told you reversible means water into ice. When cool water, then it can change into ice. Or when we heat the ice, then it can change into water. It means that reversible. It can come in its original place. Okay? And chemical change, the change is usually irreversible. It can't be reversed its own position. Understood? Irreversible means it can't be come or change into its original position. 4 number, heat or light may be or may not be given out or required to bring about change. Here we can talk about the heat and light. May be or may not be given out, required to bring about the change. But here in chemical change, heat or light, energy or both are usually given out or absorbed during the change. So dear students, I think you all had understood this chapter and you are enjoying this class. This topic is the last topic of this lesson. We are studying about the matter. So, dear students, now we will discuss about the exercise. What type of question are there? You have to do yourself. Let's study lesson summary. First summary is matter has weight, occupied volume, and can be divided into smaller pieces. I am reading this summary. This is the lesson summary. You have to learn and understood about this. You have to reply the answer if anybody asks you. 2 number, matter may be in 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. Already I have discussed in the chapter. It is in 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. 3 number, solid have definite volume and shape. Liquid has definite volume but no definite shape. And gases has indefinite volume and indefinite shape. Okay? 4 number, matter may be pure of mixture. Yeah, really. 5 number, elements and compounds are the 2 categories of pure substance. So here are 11 points, 18 points lesson summary. Summary means that what we have discussed in the lesson, it is given in summary. And you have to learn that, because I think you have understood all the chapter and you can revise once it. If you revise it, then you will not forget never. Okay, and let's see here. Conceptual questions with solution is here. You can read or you can learn that. Just number one, an atom is electrically neutral, justified. Given here. So why an atom is electrically neutral? Because it consists of the equal number of proton, positive charge, and electron. This type of question is here. You can learn that. I think you can understand yourself. Exercise. Let's move on. Exercise. Just one type of question is fill in the blanks with suitable words. Second type of question is write the differences between the following. Just a number, elements, difference between elements and compound, difference between metals and non-metal, difference between solids and gases, difference between physical and chemical change, difference between atom and molecule. Okay, this type of question you have, and you have to solve in your home, dear student. Are you following me? I am talking about the exercise. Whatever we have discussed in lesson, and we are discussing now of that lesson exercise. Okay. Third number is match of the following correctly. Okay. So here is given elements there, and what are the symbol of that? You have to match it. Okay. Fourth number, give reason for the following. Just a number is here. Solid is an element, not a compound. Solid is an element, not a compound. Why? Can you do it? So discuss in home and with your friends. Okay. Fact number. Write the molecular formula of the following. Just example here. Questions are up to S. Calcium sulfate, sodium nitrite, magnesium oxide, potassium carbonate, ammonium sulfide, hydrogen sulfate, magnesium nitrite, silicon oxide. These are the questions here. Okay. And sixth number is sketch the atomic structure of the following. Just like here, A number lithium, B number boron, C number carbon, D number neon, and E number oxygen. And here, very most important questions, 7 number, answer the following. So you learn that and you solve in your home, dear student. And eighth number type is, dear student, answer the following questions on the basis of diagram. Okay, here is one diagram and it is asking you. Suppose I am going to make here, everybody see, and then student, are you reading the room? Are you looking at book or not? Lockdown is going on all over the world, you know, everybody. So dear student, I think you are enjoying your friends, but also sometimes you enjoy your book also. Okay, although this is a virtual class, you have to enjoy it. Okay, suppose 8 number is here. Answer the following. Answer the following questions on the basis of a diagram. Okay, one diagram is here. Dear student, first you have to make a nucleus. Nucleus here, proton and neutron is here. Thereafter first cell, 2 electron are here. Thereafter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Question is, name the given element. Dear student, by the diagram, we have to say the answer, write here answer, name the given element. So, how will you find out? How will you find out that? We have to count the number of, I told you, number of electron is equal to number of atomic number, okay? Atomic number. So count. In last orbit there is 8 electron and in first orbit there is 2. So 8 to 10. So count 8. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. So it is neon. You can write the answer It is neon. Okay. 2 number is write the number of proton and neutron in it. You have to write the number of proton and neutron. Yes? How many proton are there? So number of electron is equal to number of proton. Right? Means 10 and 10. Very good. Write atomic number and atomic weight. Atomic number is 10. Atomic weight means what? You have to 10 plus 10. How much? Yes, very good. In this way you can do. It is metal or non-metal. Why? This is metal or non-metal? Yes, neon. If the outermost orbit is octave, then you can say that is non-metal. Non-metal. This is non-metal. Yeah? Good. And MCQ type of question, multiple choice question are here, and you do your home. And dear student, I hope you are enjoying this class and you have finished the chapter mature. And after this completion, next class will join mixer. Dear student, my humble request to you, whatever you are studying, you solve the exercise and also try your best to read this one, because by reading this virtual class, on the basis of that, might be you have to give exam. So thank you, dear student, for this class for today. Thank you. Namaste and bye. We will meet in next class. Thank you.